We'll guide you through how to choose Wix website plans. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Wix website. Log into your account or create one if you haven't already. Once you're in, go to the dashboard. You should see an option labeled Upgrade or Premium Plans on the left-hand side menu. Click on it to view the available plans. Now, Wix offers several options, each designed for different needs. You have the Combo plan, which is great for personal use or a small portfolio. It provides a custom domain and removes Wix ads. The Unlimited plan is ideal for entrepreneurs and freelancers, offering more storage and bandwidth. Then there's the Pro plan, perfect for branding with additional features like a logo maker and social media logo files. If you're running an online store, you need to check out the Business Basic or Business Unlimited plans. These plans offer e-commerce capabilities, allowing you to accept online payments. For larger businesses, the Business VIP plan might be the best fit, offering priority support and more advanced features. Pay attention to the storage and bandwidth limits, as these will affect how much content you can have on your site. Also, consider whether you need a custom domain or if you plan to sell online, as these factors will influence which plan is best for you. Once you've made your decision, click on Select next to the plan you want. Follow the prompts to complete the purchase, entering your payment information when prompted. After you've paid, your account will be upgraded, and you can start taking advantage of the new features. Remember, you can always upgrade or change your plan later if your needs change. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.